I am back and on your screens, peoples. What's up, guys? Naomi here. Today we are going to be going to a drone show. I'm so excited. I feel like this whole summer has just been filled with really cool events. This is my first summer that I'm not on vacation because my vacation's in December this year. So I'm trying to keep it filled with like concerts and like fun little events and everything to make it at least exciting than just like a normal time. So yeah, I'm so excited. This is my first drone show. I guess it's gonna be like a bunch of drones in the sky making pictures and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna be getting picked up right now, and then we're gonna head and get dinner, and then we're gonna go to the drone show. So let's get right into it.